Hey guys, we're back at the fix and flip. We took almost 3 weeks off, so we're anxious to get something started. Today we're gonna be going underneath the house and working on some water pipes so that we can take out a wall and get started working on the master bathroom. We turned off the water downstairs. We're just draining this entirely. We need to take all of these posts out, these metal pipes out. This wall right here, that whole thing is gonna be removed, and we're putting in a beam over there so that we can take all these walls out. So we got the pipes taken out of the wall in the kitchen. That one's all done, and while the water's still off, we are just moving into the master bathroom. That's where we are right here, because that wall is coming out, and that's where the shower head used to be, right there. So we're just gonna take the old pipes out, take that wall out, and then that whole area right there will be a larger master shower. So Farmer's got a back brace on. He's a little embarrassed about because he threw out his back. No, he's being super tough because he shouldn't even be doing this, but he's taking one for the team.
Time is money.
Time is money. Okay guys, we are way excited because in our master bathroom, we're trying out a new product. It's called Utile, and we just got it from Lowe's. We got it from Lowe's, and it was a little more expensive, but it's supposed to go in really quick and really easy, and it's just a shower in 4 different pieces, and it looks really good. It looks like real tile. And so we're gonna show you real quick what we got in our Utile boxes from Lowe's. We're gonna unbox them right now, measure them, make sure they're all gonna fit in the bathroom, and I'll show you where they're going. Okay, this one's the base, and then we got the back of the shower, the big piece, and then we have the 2 sides behind it. So let's open it up. Oh, I'll show you real quick the picture, what it's supposed to look like. We're excited. See that? It's a tile surround with a prefab base, so you don't have to worry about making your own base or drain. That thing always freaks me out because we don't want water leaking through, so I feel more comfortable buying something that's already made than trying out our hand at making our own shower base and hoping that it doesn't leak. So this will be awesome for that. Protected film on it, that's what we like to see. The first one we got actually was the corner of the box was all broken off, and we had to immediately send it right back, but they got us another one, no problem. And this one looks like it's in great shape. There's the drain for it. It has a protective layer on it too. So we've got 59.5 inches. We got the base, we got the back, we got both sides, and then it comes with these Utile, it's called the U-Lock fastening hardware. Hang on, buddy, hang on. And after further inspection, inside the boxes, we have a very large instruction packet and a corner glass shelf. Sweet, with some hardware.
Used to be.
This is where it's going. We are moving that drain. We're moving the drain to that side, and we're gonna have to put in, you know, the shower head and things on that end
Which is fine because this is 65.5 inches.
So we're gonna fur in that wall 5.5 inches, which actually work really nicely because then we can just run the pipes straight up right there for the shower head. We're gonna cover in those shelves. There won't be any shelves there anymore.
Which is kind of too bad.
Because you liked the shelves.
If we would have tiled this, we could have tiled this in and had your soap and shampoo.
Would have been like halfway out of the shower too, though.
Yeah, fur that in.
Yeah. So we got all of our pieces unboxed. We found all of the little pieces that were in the bottom of the box. We also found the instructions and we are way excited for it. It looks awesome. But as everything goes with old houses, there's always something unexpected. And our challenge right now is getting the base of it to be perfectly level. But we still need to build the wall that's gonna fill that space over there. And so we're gonna finish up some prep work on a different day, and then we'll be able to put the whole shower in this area. Okay, so we'll see you guys next time.